Hey there, nice to see you back at Garfin's Creation. Today we'll be making this delicious green chicken keema. You can also substitute the chicken keema with the other meat keema too. Check out these ingredients for this recipe. The entire recipe is mentioned in the description box below. Here I have taken 200 grams of chicken mince which is thoroughly washed. We need to make a green masala paste. So for that I have taken 3/4 cup of fresh coriander leaves, 1 onion that is roughly chopped, 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves, 1 inch ginger, 1 green chili, you can also add 2 green chilies, and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Along with that we also need to grind half a teaspoon of peppercorns, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon haldi powder, and half a teaspoon of dhanya powder. Later on we'll be adding garam masala and salt too. We'll also be adding 1/3 cup of green peas. We'll also be chopping and using this dill leaves, shepu, and juice of half a lemon. So before preparing the chicken mince, let's grind the masala first. So in the mixie jar, I'll be adding all the ingredients mentioned for the green masala paste. We'll also be adding the haldi, jeera and dhanya powder and the peppercorns too. Just add little water and then grind it to a fine paste. So I'll just grind this and get it back. So this is how our green masala paste is going to be. Once we got this ready, let's start preparing the green chicken keema. In a pan, I've just heated 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And once the oil is hot, we'll be just adding the green masala paste that we had just ground. We will first cook this green masala paste well. So on medium flame, I'll be just stirring this masala paste till it gets a little bit dry and you can see some oil coming out from the side. Do keep stirring this masala so that it does not get burned. And we'll stir this on medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now the masala is well cooked and you can see it's got dry and there's little oil coming out from the sides. Now it's the time that I'll be adding the keema. Here I'll be using 200 grams of chicken mince. You can also definitely substitute it with other meat mince too. I'll also add the green peas and give it a good mix. After mixing the masala with the keema and the green peas, just rinse the mixie jar which we ground the masala in with just 1/3 cup of water and add that into this pan. I'll be using this mince for some savory dish later, so I'm making the mince a bit dry. I won't be adding too much water now. Let the chicken cook and get a nice boil, and then we will just cover it and cook it further. Now the chicken has got a nice boil. I'll cover it and cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes on low flame and keep stirring this in between too. We need to let the chicken and the green peas cook well. It's been about 8 minutes and the chicken mince is well cooked now. So now lastly I'll be adding half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and salt. I'll be just adding half a teaspoon of salt now. Adjust the salt as per your taste. I'll also be adding 2 tablespoons of dill leaves, that is shepu, that is finely chopped. Give it a nice mix and then again cover it and cook it for about another 2 to 3 minutes. Do watch the next video and how I'll be using the chicken mince for some savory dish. Stay tuned and do subscribe to Garfin's Creation. The chicken mince is well cooked and lastly we'll be squeezing in juice of half a lemon. Give it a mix once more and with this, our green chicken keema is ready to be served. This chicken mince recipe too is shared by my sister. It's not only simple and easy to prepare but very delicious too. So our green chicken keema is ready and you can serve it with some nice pav. Hope you like this recipe too and please do give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to Garfin's Creation. I'll see you soon again till the next video. Take care. Bye bye.